Hello there, YouTube friends. I am Cindy, and you are watching Sincerely Cindy Settle. Thank you so much for being here with me this evening. If you are new here, welcome. I hope that you will consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell. If you are not new here, welcome back. Thanks for hanging out with me and checking out my channel for another day. Today, we have a pretty purple box. We have a FASHOM unboxing today. So what is FASHOM, you might ask? Well, FASHOM is a style box that you pay a $20 styling fee and you receive 5 items that are curated for you based on your style profile. And you keep what you want. That $20 is applied to anything that you want to keep and send back what you don't want. So pretty simple. It's my understanding that if I recall correctly, the first box, if you want to try FASHOM, the first box styling fee is free. At least that's the way it was a couple of months ago. So you may want to check on that if you do decide to give them a try. I do have a referral link down in the description box. If you want to give it a try, that will give you a credit and me a credit as well. So let's dig right in and see what we have. So in the box, you will have a little envelope that says, "Hello, beautiful." That's me. At least for this box, it's me. And then you will have a list of, you will have an invoice that lists all your prices and your items. And let me also say that FASHOM will send you, when you decide that you want to get a box, they will send you 6 to 7 items, I believe, to preview. And then you choose from those items which ones you want sent to you. So you do get a little bit of a preview. So I do have some idea of what's in the box and some idea of what the prices are. You do get a style note, and I will get my glasses here in a minute and I will read that. If I recall correctly, I think I just put in here that I wanted to get some cozy fall, winter type of items. It was very generic, very basic, but just some cozy, comfy type of items. And then you will also get a Better As I Am, Believe in Yourself and You'll Be Unstoppable card. This just kind of gives you directions on what to do next. And then you will have your prepaid envelope to send back any items that you do not want. And this is United States Postal Service. So let me grab my glasses. We will read the style note really quick and I'll be back and we'll see what I have in the box. Okay, here we go. Sorry about that. So I've asked for cozy and comfy items, but yet I'm wearing a tank dress here, spaghetti straps, because it's like 80 degrees here today. It's November 10th. It's weird. Okay. Hey Cindy, your new fall fashion box has arrived. Here you will find some casual, cute, and comfortable everyday fall trends that will give you a wardrobe update and keep you looking put together all season long. I'm especially excited for you to try on our on-trend tie-dye sweatpants joggers to go with sneaks and a matching cozy tee or sweatshirt. Another look you can create from the items in this box is style the Monob Rina mineral wash cut out back top underneath the Monob Nora Longline cardigan with back yoke, a pair of black leggings and ankle boots. You'll notice I did size up on a few items to give you the oversized comfy fit you were looking for. Please send us your feedback for individual pieces as it will help me with your next styling session. I hope to style you again soon. Take care, your stylist, Morgan. So Morgan has been my stylist. I think this is my 3rd FASHOM box. I can't recall. I don't think that I've kept anything from FASHOM up to this point. So I will definitely try to style these items as she has suggested, as that's one reason why I'm doing some of these style boxes, so that I can get some of my fashion sense and style back, because I really have no idea how to style anything anymore. So moving on. So this is what my little bundle looks like. There we go. Some pretty colors there. All right, so let's see. Ooh, this is very soft. All right, this is from Gilli, and this is just a comfortable, it almost feels like, I don't know, it's very comfortable. It feels like cozy pajamas, maybe, that you would wear in the winter. So that's very cute, striped. I like it. And then we have, this is the tie-dye pants that she was referring to. So those are quite the tie-dye. Look at that. We do have a drawstring. And I kind of like, I think I'm gonna take my glasses off so I can see what I'm looking at. So is that pink and black, or is that white and black? I don't know. But anyway, they're very soft, and they do have a cuff here at the bottom. So I'm excited about trying those. I have been wanting to try some joggers because I would like to have something comfortable like that to wear out and about, not just to wear in the house. All right, and then we have, this looks like it's a mint green short sleeve. And I knew this was coming, and I knew that this is more spring-like to me, but I really didn't care for the other options that they sent me. So it is short-sleeved, and it does have somewhat of an open back here. It just has a tie knot there in the back. And this is very pretty. I like this color combination. Just a cute little, this is more of a lightweight sweater with a little pocket there, some pretty colors. And then finally, it looks like we have a cozy cardigan. I am all about the cozy cardigan, but I need things to go underneath it. And this is a lot like the same style of what I already have. So I don't know if we'll be going for this or not, but we will style it and we will try. But it does have this large collar that you've probably seen me wear before. And then it's just a beige collar, very basic. It does have pockets. So we'll get to trying these on. I'm excited. So anyway, so this is the cardigan and the cutout t-shirt. I feel like this outfit makes me look a little bit bigger than what I am, which is not something that I'm necessarily going for. The cardigan is very, very comfortable. It's very soft and very cozy. I could see it going with a lot of things, but I do have a cardigan that is very, very similar. It's got the pockets here on the side. It's got this. It's a very similar collar. I'll show it to you when we do the wrap up. And then we have this t-shirt. And like I said in the beginning, I had anticipated, so that completely got stuck. I had to go ask for reinforcements. That would be good on a blooper reel if I ever did one. So here's the mint green t-shirt. Again, it's an open back. Very flowy. Like she said, she was upsizing a little bit for me. Obviously, again, I don't feel like this is doing me any favors. I just am not a fan. It's not something I would pull for. I feel like it makes me look bigger than what I am. And that's not a look that I'm going for. Whether I am at work or running errands or whatever, I'm wanting to look fashionable and comfy, not like this. So anyway, let's try the next item. Okay, next up is this sweatshirt thing. So this is a combination of like a light purple, light gray, dark gray, and white. It is a little bit of a dolman, as you can see there. I do like the transition from the horizontal stripe and the vertical stripe. I think that's a cute little detail. It does have a little slit here on the side. I just put these on with leggings because I figured if I wear this, it would be probably at home or to run errands, and I wanted to have something comfy and cozy. So, but I'm not really sure that this is me or that I would even wear it. Because of the material, I feel like it's more of a pajama type top or a lay around the house type top, which I did ask for cozy items, but I wanted items that I could actually go out in, and I'm sure that I could go out in this, but I just wouldn't see me doing that. I feel like it looks a little boxy, and it's, again, not very flattering to my figure. So let me know what you think. I always like to get your feedback. Maybe you guys think it looks fabulous on me. I don't know, but let me know. I appreciate your feedback. I'll be right back. Okay, so here we go with item number 4. This is very casual. It looks super cute with jeans. I do like the colors in it, but I think that's about it. This pocket, I don't know, it feels like it looks awkward to me. Like like it just grabs you, like, wah, wah. I don't know. Anyway, It's, again, I like the collars. I don't feel like it does much for me. Not a big fan of the pocket. And I feel like it looks a little bit big. I know she upsized a little bit for it to be a little cozier for me, but maybe I would like it better. I don't even know how to really do that tuck. And again, you guys have seen these jeans before. These are about the only pair of jeans that I really like. So I don't know. I'm just not loving it. Maybe the joggers will work for me. Fingers crossed. See you in a minute. Okay, friends, this is the last item. These are the joggers, and I will pan down here in a minute just so you can get a better look at them. They are like a mixture of white, pink maybe, grays, and blacks. My daughter, who is 16, is like adamant that these are a no for me, even before she saw them on me. So let me pan down a little bit so you can get a better look. Okay, so they are very, very comfortable. They do fit just like a jogger. They are a little bit tighter up here, but you know, loose down through here. They have the cuff at the end that you could pair with tennis shoes. I'm just not sure that this pattern is necessarily me, or that my daughter would let me go out of the house wearing them. So with that being said, I think that we will go ahead and do a wrap up. Let me know what you think of these joggers. Okay, so let's wrap this up with some pricing. I know that I have left the pricing down at the bottom when I've tried the items on for you guys, but I don't like to look at the prices until I am finished so that I'm not swayed to like or dislike anything that I try on by the price. So this little sweater here with the pocket, its original price is $45. Now with FASHOM, you do get a pretty good discount program. If you purchase 3 or more items, you get 25% off. If you purchase 5 items, you get 30% off. So that's probably the best discount program that I've seen in any of the style boxes. So, however, I'm not gonna give you the discounted price. They are listed here for you when you get your box, but I will not be buying 3 items. I will be lucky to purchase 1. So this was $45. This Gilli Rhea brushed stripe top is $57. We'll just leave that there. I'll just keep my thoughts to myself. All right, this Monob Rina mineral wash cutout back top is $43. And then the Monob Perf tie-dye sweatpants is they are $56, and I'm still wearing those. And then the cardigan, the Monob Nora Longline cardigan with back yoke is $56. This again was very comfortable and I did like it, but the one that I have that is similar looks like this. So very similar collars, has the same type of collar going down. I do wear it all the time and I love it, but I don't need anything that's that similar. So the total box was $257. If I were to purchase all 5 items, I would get a 30% discount, which would be $77 off, which would bring the whole box to $179.90, which is not bad, but we will not be purchasing the entire box. So I really need some feedback on what I should keep. Let me know what you think, because I don't know if I should keep anything. I do hate to lose my $20 styling fee, so I may purchase something to go towards that styling fee, and I may put it on Poshmark, or I may keep the joggers. They are very comfortable. I'm not sure that I would wear them anywhere, but they are very comfortable just to wear around the house. So we'll see. Anyway, so I am Cindy, and I hope that you enjoyed hanging out with me today. And please consider subscribing, liking, sharing my content with your friends if they like unboxings. I also do some booktube stuff on my channel, so be sure to check that out as well. I look forward to hearing from you in the comments. Let me know what I should keep, what I should send back. Let me know what other style boxes out there that you would like for me to try. I would love to try some new ones as well. I have a Stitch Fix coming up in a week or two, and I am Cindy Settle, and I am signing out. Mwah.